Hey everyone, I'm Chris, and as you know, here at ASUS we make a lot of amazing hardware, and I want to give you a first look at some of our newly released products and what you can expect to find when you open them up. Now to kick things off, we're starting with the official unboxing of the ROG MAXIMUS XIII Hero. This AI-powered board is the perfect fit for your next Intel gaming PC, and I'm going to take you inside the box. You can call the MAXIMUS XIII Hero an AI motherboard. Why? Well, it utilizes AI to assist with overclocking, cooling, and networking to ensure the best possible system performance. Plus, our AI noise canceling technology keeps your comms free of distracting sounds and background noise. Now, let's open it up and see what's inside. The MAXIMUS XIII Hero was built for the latest 11th gen Intel CPUs, but accepts 10th gen Intel processors for maximum compatibility. Now the motherboard's the most obvious thing that you're going to expect in the box, but we're going to go ahead and get that out of the way for the moment. Underneath here, we're going to find our quick start user guide, software, and some great stickers to show your allegiance. And underneath here are the rest of our goodies. Now we're going to find a set of M.2 screws. This, if we open it up, is our 2x2 Wi-Fi antenna. It's got a magnetic base so it can attach to your case securely, and the antenna moves to 4 different positions for the best possible Wi-Fi coverage. Inside here is our GPU mounting bracket. Now this is going to help keep your GPU standing up straight no matter how heavy it is. And then we've also got our regular assortment of cables that you're going to need for your build. Finally, there's a sweet ROG keychain that's going to help you show off your allegiance no matter where you are. This full ATX motherboard has a beautiful black and gray look, with the VRM heat sinks, M.2 heat sinks, and L-shaped heat pipe bringing sharp angles and straight lines to the design. Both the chipset heatsink and I/O panel cover feature AuraSync RGB lighting that can be synced with the rest of your battle station. You can control additional lighting with the included addressable RGB headers over here. The integrated aluminum I/O shield is always a favorite feature of mine, as it prevents headaches that can be caused when you forget to install it. The board supports a total of 4 M.2 drives, including 2 PCIe 4.0x4 slots for ultra-fast NVMe drives. For power delivery, the MAXIMUS XIII Hero uses 14+2 teamed power stages that are rated for 90 amps and feature ProCool 2 power connectors with a solid core pin design. If you can't get an Ethernet cable to your battle station, the MAXIMUS XIII Hero still has you covered with Wi-Fi 6E on board. The dual antenna controller supports 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands to ensure that you get the fastest speeds possible in your environment. You can see the long heatsink covering the ROG SupremeFX ALC4082, which, when paired with the integrated Saber DAC, provides crystal clear output no matter what you're listening to. The ROG MAXIMUS XIII Hero is currently available in stores, so check below for links on where to buy it. Then, pair it with the new ROG Rapture GT AXE 11000 router for the fastest networking speeds in the world's first 6 GHz wireless ecosystem.